I've only got 23 to catch last year, but you still need 6 more to reach your goal this year. Maybe you should call back Deepak and Frank the liar.
I'm not calling Deepak, his mommy, or Frank the liar.
You have a legitimate 9 a.m. appointment tomorrow, so don't stay out too late. Also, be prepared to boot at least 1 or 2 people tomorrow. People bring in disasters on the final days of tax season.
Are those one of the 7 identical new pairs of shoes you are wearing today?
Yes.
Are they the black or burgundy ones?
I appear to be wearing one of each. I'm shot. I am completely shot. Never before has tax season and allergy seasons overlapped. Maybe this algorithm is right after all.
Did you make it home alive?
No, I'm not alive, so I won't be able to answer any more of your questions about your picture people.
Still in a grumpy mood, I see. Are you at least wearing matching shoes today?
I was in bed from 5 p.m. Saturday night until 7 a.m. this morning. I've got absolutely nothing.
Well, pull yourself together. There are only 2 more days of occupation.
Client notes from today's appointment. 2007, Marnéi causing me stress today. 2008, Marnéi causing stress all tax season this year. 2009, Marnéi saved me stress this year. 2010, Marnéi only causing car loss stress now. And, tax season 2011, Marnéi causing me stress because of these picture people.
Did they ever call? The phone number is incorrect on their folder.
Did you even start the file? I cannot find them on the computer.
Why are you harassing me about the picture people now?
Because they are your picture people. Anyway, I finished the picture people. You had them owing $2,000, but I got them a refund.
How did you do that?
I feel like I should be tax dude of the year for this. A little trick called 411. The damn phone number on the folder was wrong, but they have a listed number. They also have 2 children, which, oddly, they failed to mention when they dropped off their papers.
Speaking of 411, a client told me that our number is wrong when you call us.
No wonder we only prepared thousands of returns this year. Imagine if we had a working phone number. We'd do billions and billions of tax returns.
Have you pulled yourself back together yet? Did you sleep at the office Tuesday night? And did all the kids survive?
No, and as far as I know, this tax season overlapping allergy season is an absolute nightmare. I still don't have my health back. I came in Thursday for a few hours, but I felt dizzy again and went home. The only time I've felt 100 was at the brick house, before the 151. You have no idea how many irritating messages are on the phone machine. Really, it is just 4 or 5 people leaving 6 or 7 messages apiece. I mean, would you call up Santa Claus on December 26th and 27th and 28th and leave 5 messages on his phone reminding him he hasn't returned your phone call yet? Also, Misha's banned from next year's party. Also, Cheryl wants to know when you are going on your cruise.
You sound just as incoherent today as a couple of weeks ago.
I know.
And why is Misha banned?
I'll make you a list.
Have you at least gotten a haircut?
Yes, and mowed my front lawn and got my car inspected. That's it.
You should go to a doctor, and I'm curious about that list.
I don't need a doctor. I just need to be left alone for a week with my chainsaw and pickaxe.
After that comment, it's a different kind of doctor I think you need. Where's that bird lady when you need her?
And, congrats, another box of 250 Ospina pens has arrived, from the original company I ordered from months ago whose website wasn't functioning. You now have about 5 pens for every non-Ben client you have.
The pens will be like those American flag ones that hang around for years and years. And what happened with Misha?
Nothing, really. I bought a practice exam for the IRS Registered Tax Preparer exam. Assuming it is representative of what is on the exam, and I think it is the worst case scenario. Nothing but trick questions and obscure issues, like what form do you use to request withholding on your unemployment insurance? Why would I know that? I've never been unemployed in my life, at least not technically. I am sort of unemployed for the next 9 months. That's how I have time to create these cartoons.
I am good at multiple choice exams and I received 1330 on my SAT.
Yes, but Tabitha outscored you on the Mac and TED exam. You're very prone to be fooled by trick questions. I'm paranoid enough to believe they'll take the specific wrong answers each preparer gets on the exam and then run it through a software program that audits every freaking return they've ever prepared and pulls out for audit all of the times the issue comes up. Even if I pass getting 200 of the 250 questions correct, they can filter 50 wrong answers through nearly 20,000 returns. In case you got less than the 720 I received on the math part of the SAT, that equates to 1 freaking million potential audits.
Laugh out loud. You are paranoid.
You all thought I was paranoid about the Catwoman, but I'm actually more profit than paranoid.
When are you taking this thing?
Tuesday. And, try this question.
You owned a duplex used as rental property that cost you $40,000, of which $35,000 was allocated to the building and $5,000 to the land. You added an improvement to the duplex that cost $10,000. In February last year, the duplex was damaged by fire. Up to that time, you had been allowed depreciation of $23,000. You sold some salvaged material for $1,300 and collected $19,700 from your insurance company. You deducted a casualty loss of $1,000 on your income tax return for last year. You spent $19,000 of the insurance proceeds for restoration of the duplex, which was completed this year. The adjusted basis of the duplex, not including the land, is what?
That is far too boring to possibly pay attention to all the detail in order to answer correctly.
The answer is $19,000. Am I correct?
If my allergies are still acting up next Tuesday, I'm in big trouble.
Was my answer correct?
Yes, damn it.
Just make sure you keep the coffee fresh next year. And I'm not returning any phone calls.